It's Halloween. Hey guys, welcome to Angie's Table. So fall is finally here and it is our favorite season of the year. Hope you guys are ready for it because this week we're going to be using pumpkin as our main ingredient. So today we're going to be making some festive deviled eggs and they're going to look like little pumpkins and it's going to be really cute actually. So let's go and see what ingredients we'll need. So let's start off by boiling our 6 eggs. Right now I'm going to teach you guys how to make a hard-boiled egg. And the first step is to place the eggs in the water. I'll close the lid and turn the fire on high heat. So we're gonna keep the eggs in there until the water comes to a boil, which it is now. So I'll turn the fire off. We'll keep it on the stove for 10 more minutes, then place all the eggs in a cold bath to make them easier to peel off. So let's just place all of this in a cold water bath. While the egg is in the cold bath, I'm just gonna cut up some dill. So I had fresh dill in the fridge, which is why I decided to use it. Okay, and now these have cooled and I'm just gonna peel them all. Hard-boiled egg never smells amazing, but it tastes amazing. And I'm gonna be really gentle with these because I want it to look very pretty. Ta-da! Now we're going to cut the eggs in half the long way. Next step is to separate the egg yolks. Let's go make the filling. Add in some mayo. Our pumpkin puree. Dijon mustard. Paprika. And dill. We'll mix this. Add a pinch of salt. And pepper. We need to mix this until it is free of all the egg yolk pieces and lumps. We're going to be using a piping bag, so I wanted to show you guys what we're going to be using. We ordered this from Amazon and the product link is below in the description box. So the good thing about this is it's a reusable bag and it was also super cheap. So now I'm filling the piping bag with the filling and we're going to pipe it into the egg whites. I just have it over a taller glass so that it's easy to fill it. Ah! I'm gonna save it. Make sure to smooth all your fillings out before we make ridges with a fork. So we're gonna cut these pickles now. So we'll cut it in half. And then we will just stick it down like this. That's how we make pumpkin deviled eggs, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video and stay tuned for our next pumpkin recipe. I hope you guys tried this recipe out at your next event with your family or your friends that you host or attend. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment below if you guys have any questions, and we'll see you guys on our next pumpkin video.